लोकेशन दाखवू नको. लोकेशन नाही घातलं ना. You don't plan anyway, do you?
No, we only found out this at around what time it is. But I've taken shots like this. I'll send you.
किती मिनिट? 5 मिनिट.
Very aggressive wild man.
असं लिहिताना म्हणताना बघ इकडे लागेल Yes. Hey. गाडी तिकडे आहे. उभे राहतात तुला सर
Not being done. How much?
सर मोमिन सर what
together. Yeah. Okay.
what inspection sir is it?
Section we are in the bus stand Inga Astalo, where private buses fly. So we are now trying to get them here. We want to do it on the war footing as soon as possible. Within less than a month, in fact, within 3 weeks, we want to shift that bus stand from there here. It is causing a lot of congestion also there. You've seen full traffic blocks that are. So we will use this space because previously, when the bridge work was going on, they were shifted there on a temporary basis. So we are getting them back here after creating little infrastructure, what is necessary. So we will do it in less than, means within 3 to 4 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are shifting that Karnataka, Maharashtra or Mumbai?
No, all the private buses, all the private buses, yeah.
Because the space is huge compared to this.
No, that space is huge. That space we want to build a modern bus stand under PPP basis, which also the work is going on. We are going ahead with that as well. With one of the top companies, we are discussing, drawing up plans, and then we will be inviting the tenders. Yeah.
So yes, a feasibility study will be done.
Yes. So because we don't want to stall that, we are getting the other people here, and this place is available. The other is a waste of place, and you don't have to do much work here. As you've seen, everything is concreted. It is starred. People will not have to walk through the mark. All that we have seen, and that's why we do it accordingly.
ओके केन्ना जातले तो शिफ्टिंग आहे सगळे
फाल्यांसून क्लिनिंग स्टार्ट जातले.
हय.
1-3 दिसान क्लिनिंग जातले. ते उपरांत 1 विकान सुमार we will float the tenders for fencing, short tenders as well. It is a very small estimate. It's not a very big estimate.
पण हे जागो सफिशियंट हा सर इतले जे कॅपेबल हा तितले जे
It is quite enough. You will see it will work better than that at least what they are functioning for.
इंटर बस स्टँड
Yeah.
ओके
सर आणि ट्रॅफिकमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम जातो नंतर.
No, that's what I have told them to plan it accordingly. Design that here in front inside the bus can turn and go without affecting the traffic which is already moving. We already decided.
बट
KTC
No, Transport Department along with KTC and PWD, 3 agencies will be coordinating and doing it.
तर बरोबर जो ओव्हरब्रिज होतो त्यांना त्यात किती अजून सर्व्हिस करतो.
सर्विस
Porvorim overbridge, that work is already, they have done the soil testing, work is about to start. They are only looking out for practical traffic diversion where it will give least inconvenience to the
बाकी
public.
एकदा जर ट्रॅफिक डायव्हर्जन केलेलं आहे म्हणजे पुढून पहिले ते किती
They are still evaluating which is the best route where you can divert and where less congestion will be there, especially at peak hours. At the peak hours it gets blocked, that's why. Yeah. Okay?
ओके
Thank you.
सर नवे बसी येवपाच्यो असल्यो त्यो कदंबाच्यो अजून
येतामध्ये ते, आता येवपाच्या रस्त्याला.
केन्ना येतल्यो सर त्यो
I cannot give you the date now. If you ask
Okay.
me here suddenly. Yeah.
बट वॉट अबाउट दीस सिटी सर स्मार्ट सिटीचे केन्ना चालू जातले तो
Don't ask me about smart city.
हय बाय
विन-विन सिच्युएशन. Very nice. तर काय बोलते?
नेटो बाब
आता हे तर काय ते तुका मेळा साधारण सर कितले टायम
सध्या काय जावना ती इट इज जस्ट अ टॉक ओके सो फायनल प्लॅन विल मटेरियलाइज ओनली when we take everybody in consideration
Okay.
because we don't know to whom this land belongs.
हां
So once that land come to know, then our plan will materialize.
ओके
So it depends on who this land belongs to first.
सो आणि फाटी तर एक स्टोरी केल्ली की जे इंटरस्टेट बसीस आसा कदंबाचे
Yeah, yeah.
थंय कितें फेसिलिटीज कमी आसा
Yeah, correct. बरोबर facility correct because only half portion is tarred and pavers are put there. So remaining pavers, it is not paved now because of the monsoon now. That muck has accumulated here. So there is this, but that is just a temporary this. Actually buses were here only first. So temporarily they were shifted there. So that does not belong to anybody. That is not for that purpose. It was temporarily shifted there because of this work. So now we are trying to bring it back here where they were originally parked.
But this place is sufficient.
It has not. It is just a talk now. It is nothing has finalized now.
This place is sufficient for that.
Yeah, it's more than sufficient because it is longer now.
But
And that is square.
one more problem is the congestion over here.
No, the congestion we'll have to take care now. We have to see that this radius, turning radius and all, and that we will take care of. So that's why I'm telling you, nothing has been finalized. All these things we'll have to take on. And if it is feasible, then only we can say yes.
One more issue nowadays there are about the bus stop of
Yeah.
the smart city.
So that I cannot give a comment because that is directly looked after by RTC. Smart City.
So they are saying it is looked after the
No, we are just implementing authority. So our job is to implement the things. When everything is done, it will be given to us, and Kadamba will just come in for
who
implementation.
designed that bus stops?
The bus stops are all designed by Smart City.
Smart city. So they are the designer.
Yeah, designer. We are just implementing authority. Once that is done, then they will give it to us for implementing. Or
And the location of the bus stand has been told by you or they are
no,
finalizing?
that is the data has been taken by all the source. Data has been collected from all the source. There was Smart City, this was there. Then Charles Fourier Foundation. So data has been collected from all this. Wherever it is feasible, they have put the bus. And it is usually where it was earlier there first. Because it has to be notified now. So wherever it was not there, it has been notified by the collector.
But it has been seen that many of places where the bus didn't even come and they have installed the bus stops.
No, now we have put it, that where it was earlier there. And based on the frequency of stops, where people are alighting.
Okay.
See, we have done this survey there and we have seen that where people are frequently getting down. Like Kalagatin they are getting down. Then Kampal they are getting down. So wherever people are getting down, like market they are getting down.
Yeah.
So we have made that point as a exit and entry and boarding point.
Sir, other thing, there has been electric buses for a smart city in
Yeah,
Penji.
they are there. Yes, all 48 buses have come. All 48 buses have come. Now we are just waiting for their go. So once that is okay, then we will start this transportation.
केन्नापर्यंत जातलें सो तेंचे फायनल
See, we are ready. Kadamba is ready to start the transportation. The only problem is that this everything has to. There has to be. I should have a proper road, to take the buses there. So once that is there, I will start all the 7 routes.
So first phase you were decided to start from Miramar, Donapur.
See, that is one route. There are 7 routes. There are called loops. Okay, loop. So I can start presently only 3 loops because of the work that is going on. So once that is done, then I will start all the 7 loops.
So from this then rent will be collected from the interstate bus operator.
See, rent, this presently what has happened, you have to collect something, to maintain it.
Yes.
So our basic decision is to give them water facilities first, drinking water facilities, toilet facilities, restroom facilities. So for that, some money has to be collected from them.
So it is not yet decided whose
It is
land
not
belongs
yet
to.
decided yet, so now it is just a talk. So when all the feasibility, then we have to see first whether it is feasible to do. So once it is feasible, we will be talking to the PWD, we will be talking to the police personnel, then we will talk to other stakeholders also. We want to, because this is more ideal than that.
Yes. So compared to space, that is more spacious.
No, that is not space. So that is only 10,000 square meter. So if you do, this is longer. This is rectangular and that is square.
Where?
So other challenge is congestion.
Congestion.
See, congestion, we'll have to see that this turning radius. No? So turning radius, if it is straight congestion, but if it is diagonal like this, see if the radius is diagonal, right, then this means only half a meter is enough for a bus to turn. But if it is like this, you have to take a long curvature.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So